Hey, it's Alea, and this is episode 93 of the Orange Pill Investor and day 5 of my 5-day water fast. So I get to eat dinner today. Last time I broke my fast with like a 12-ounce ribeye, and that sent me to the bathroom for a couple of days. So I'm just going to start with like a scrambled egg. I don't know if I have any beef broth in the cupboard, so we'll see. All right. So I'm going to move right to it because today I want to just like do a speed run on rolling these options because I'm constantly beating the drum on how much profit you can get from covered calls, but then also how easy it is. So I'm just going to speed run right through this. I did cheat a little bit because HUT I think was like $1 yesterday, so I cheated and rolled it a day early just so I could collect an extra day of premium for next week. So boom, I can close this for $1. Done. View all options. 419. The price is what, 15.50, so $1.50 would give me 10% call away value, so that's $17. Collect $50, that's 3% for the week. 3% ROI with 10% call away value. And if this doesn't fill in like 2 seconds, CLSK is annoying because I think it trades in increments of a nickel. So this should go. Okay, boom, done. And you'll notice that I am not giving a darn what my cost basis is. I don't let that affect my trade. Some people do not want to sell a strike below their cost basis because I'm like, oh no, I could lose money. If the stock price already dropped, you done messed up. You're already foobarred. So that mistake has already been made. There's no way to fix it. You make mistakes in the stock market, there's no way to fix it. That's just what it is. So the stock market does not care that I paid $20 for Mara or $25 for Mara or whatever. This is what it's worth. So I don't let that stop me from making money this week. Just because I lost money last week doesn't mean I have to go like way up here and only collect a little bit of premium. So the price is 16, so at least $1.50 or $2 up. So let's go to 18.50 or 19. Let's do 19 just in case this trend reverses. I want to allow for a nice good chunk of $1.70, $1.80, 17.70, 18.50. Could go to the 18.50. That's almost $2. So let's do 18.50. Medium fill likelihood. Big money, no whammies. Let's see if we can get a fill. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't got time for this. So let's go to 38. Boom. Smash the bid. Done. Already did HUT. Riot. That's one of my favorite lines from The Last Avatar when they're trying to start some shiz in the I hope I've been clicking sell call. Now I gotta now I gotta see and make sure I wasn't buying calls for next week. That'll piss me off. All right, $9, add $1 call away value. So I need to go to at least the 10.50. Boom. Collecting a little over 1%, maybe 1.5%. 10% call away. That's all she wrote. Rolled 1, 2, 3. 3 stocks. Collected some premium. And I already bought $100 worth of MicroStrategy earlier in the week. So normally I would take all the premium that I got paid and I would roll that into MicroStrategy. I just go up here, buy 100 shares, or not 100 shares, in dollars. But this account has been getting wrecked lately, so don't have a lot of buying power anyway. But I have been buying the dip in MicroStrategy. I'm using that as my savings vehicle. How long has this? I can't even tell how long this video's been going, but it's got to be, I don't know, 5 minutes. So when I say it takes 30 minutes to an hour to roll these calls, I'm really just under promising and over delivering. All right, today's morning post was about always taking profits, and that's what this is. The current price is whatever it is, and then I'm building in 10% call away value when I can. Sometimes the Bitcoin derivative type stocks can really rip from week to week. So I'm building in potential 10% profit, but I'm collecting guaranteed 40 cents profit. 3% guaranteed, 10% potential. That's what this is to me. I don't have to pick the top. I don't have to like get emotional, and if Mara goes to 17 or 18 or 19 or 20, you're like, oh, I don't know, is it the top? I'm picking the top now. I have no idea what it'll be. This might not be the optimal strike, but it just doesn't matter. I trade mechanically. There's no emotions involved. Next week, if it goes above my strike and I don't want to lose the shares and I want to continue to sell covered calls in Mara, I'll just pay. I'll pay the difference to roll it to 20 or whatever. The up plan is the same as the down plan. It really just does not matter at all. So I wrote I wrote my second article, so I hope that format is to people's liking. Please check that out and give me a comment or a suggestion if article is a nice format. I mean, I was able to stick a couple of different, like images and stuff in there in the middle of the post. So there is a little bit more flexibility with the article. For some reason, I can't publish, like schedule it. And even in my regular post, my scheduler disappears sometimes. I don't know what the heck X is doing. But I'd rather that they deal with the bot situation than my schedule button. So cross my fingers for that. All right, keeping this one short and sweet. That's how to speed run rolling your options. And I hope that helps. Anybody that's looking to get into options for the first time or is worried that it's going to be some huge time sink. All right, that's it for now. Be good, Joe.